How to fix messages disappearing on Messenger. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can fix messages disappearing on your Messenger. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's jump right in. So to first fix it, make sure that your app is up to date to the latest version. Go to your Google Play Store, search for Messenger, and if you see an update button available, tap on update. After you've updated the app, what you'll need to do is check for a stable internet connection. Sometimes a poor connection can prevent messages from syncing correctly. After that, what you'll need to do is head over to your Messenger app. After you're on your Messenger app, head over to the chat in which the messages are disappearing. Then what you'll need to do is check disappearing messages settings. So tap on the profile, the person's name on the top. After that, scroll down and there you find the disappearing messages option. Tap on it and make sure that this is turned off. If this is turned on, messages will disappear in your specified time, that is 24 hours. And yeah, that's the basic fix for it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.